Have you ever looked up at the night sky, filled with countless stars, and wondered, are we truly alone? This question has captivated humanity for centuries. It's a question that sits at the very heart of science, philosophy, and our own sense of identity. With billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars, the odds that Earth is the only planet harboring life seem too many, incredibly small. So, where is everybody? This cosmic silence is known as the Fermi paradox, named after physicist Enrico Fermi. He famously asked, if the galaxy is teeming with advanced civilizations, why haven't we seen any evidence of them? No probes, no radio signals, no galactic empires, visible through our telescopes. It's a profound mystery. Let's explore some of the fascinating possibilities. One of the most compelling theories is the Great Filter. This idea suggests that there's some monumental obstacle or challenge that prevents life from developing, evolving, or reaching a stage where it can communicate across the stars. This filter could be anything. Perhaps the leap from non-living matter to the first simple cell is astronomically rare. Or, more chillingly, maybe the filter lies ahead of us. It could be that civilizations inevitably destroy themselves through nuclear war, climate change, or perhaps an invention we can't even fathom yet. If that's the case, our silence might be a warning. But let's consider a more optimistic view. What if they're out there, but we just can't see them? The universe is vast and ancient. A civilization could have risen and fallen millions of years before life even began on Earth. Their signals would have passed us by long ago. Or maybe they exist right now, but they're just too far away. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is 100,000 light-years across. A signal from the other side would take 100,000 years to reach us. By the time we could reply, their civilization might be long gone. It's like two people shouting across an immense ocean, their voices lost in the waves and the wind. Another intriguing idea is the zoo hypothesis. This theory proposes that advanced alien civilizations are aware of us, but they've deliberately chosen not to make contact. They might be observing us like we observe animals in a nature preserve, wanting to let our civilization develop naturally without outside interference. We could be part of a protected cosmic park. A variation of this is the prime directive idea, popularized by Star Trek, where a moral code forbids interfering with less developed civilizations to avoid cultural contamination or unforeseen harm. They might be waiting for us to reach a certain level of technological or ethical maturity before they say hello. Then there's the possibility that we're simply not looking for the right signs. We're searching for life as we know, a carbon-based, water-dependent, and communicating with radio waves. What if life elsewhere is fundamentally different? Perhaps they're silicon-based beings, living in methane oceans. Maybe their biology operates on a timescale so slow or so fast that we wouldn't even recognize them as alive. They could be communicating with technologies we can't yet comprehend, like modulated neutrinos or gravitational waves. We might be like an isolated tribe on an island, trying to interpret smoke signals while the air around us is filled with invisible radio broadcasts. Our search is limited by our own biology and imagination. Despite the silence, our search continues with more passion and power than ever before. Organizations like SETI, the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, have been scanning the skies with radio telescopes for decades, listening for that one artificial signal that stands out from the cosmic noise. More recently, powerful new instruments like the James Webb Space Telescope are changing the game. This incredible observatory can analyze the atmospheres of exoplanets' planets, orbiting other stars. By looking for biosignatures, like oxygen, methane, or water vapor, we might find indirect, but powerful evidence of life. Finding a planet with an atmosphere similar to Earth's would be a monumental discovery, a sign that we're looking in the right place. Each new exoplanet we discover adds another data point, another potential home for life. We've found thousands already hot Jupiters, rocky, and even planets in the habitable zone, the perfect distance from their star where liquid water could exist. The Kepler Space Telescope revealed that planets are incredibly common, suggesting there could be tens of billions of Earth-like worlds in our galaxy alone. With each discovery, the universe feels a little less empty, and the possibility of finding a neighbor feels a little more real. So, where does that leave us? We alone? The honest answer is, we don't know yet. But the journey to find out is one of the greatest adventures in human history. It forces us to confront our place in the cosmos, and to think about the future of our own species. Whether we are a rare cosmic jewel or just one of countless living worlds, the search for an answer is deeply meaningful. It pushes the boundaries of our knowledge and technology, and unites us in a shared sense of wonder. Perhaps one day, we will receive that signal. Or maybe we'll be the ones to send the first hello that gets a reply. Until then, we'll keep looking up at the stars, listening to the vast cosmic silence, and asking that timeless, hopeful question. The universe is under no obligation to make sense to us, but the quest to understand it is what makes us human. Thank you so much for joining me on this cosmic journey today. What do you think? Are we alone, or is the galaxy teeming with life? Let me know your theories in the comments below. If you enjoyed this exploration, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more adventures into the mysteries of our universe. See you next time.